Today, we are making the most addictive yet delicious garlic butter salmon bites. This recipe is quick and delicious. It can be served as a light dinner or a quick appetizer. Before I begin, if you're new, please do not forget to subscribe. Also, leave a like if you enjoyed today's recipe, and let's get started. We're going to start by cutting our salmon into bite-sized pieces. I'm going to use 1 pound of the salmon to make this recipe. Now, I like to cut the thin part of the salmon because it'll cook faster if all parts are even. So I'm just going to cut them into small bite-sized pieces. Let me show you guys, just like this. Okay, it doesn't have to be even, but it's nice and pretty once it's done cooking. So just cut them into small bite size. And I have a few other recipes that I made with chicken breast, chicken thighs that you can follow if you don't like fish or you don't want to make it with fish, or it's up to you, because salmon right now is too expensive for me. Okay, I believe this is a 2 pound salmon and it was like $27. Let me know what price are you paying for salmon, where you at. And I got this from Costco, by the way. So this is it right here. All right, now we're going to pat the salmon dry so we can get a nice sear on the salmon. So pat it dry as much as you can. You don't want any moisture. Today we're going to be using my baby Cajun Crush seasoning. Okay, this seasoning is perfect for seafood, poultry, pretty much everything. Okay, we're using salmon, so this is the perfect seasoning for this salmon recipe. First thing first, we want to drizzle a little bit of olive oil to our salmon, and then we're going to mix it, rub it in just like this. Perfect. And now it's time to season. All of the seasoning. The Cajun Crush is the star for today's recipe. Everything will be listed below. I'm going to generously season my salmon just like this. Mix it in. Make sure every little pieces get some of that seasoning, okay? Just like this. And this seasoning has paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, thyme, just to name a few, okay? This is how we're looking so far. And I know I'm using a lot of seasoning is because while we're cooking this salmon, we're gonna be losing some of that seasoning. So I have my skillet on medium-high heat. I am going to drizzle some olive oil on there, maybe about 3 to 4, maybe 5 tablespoons of olive oil. Just place your salmon just like this in there so you can literally just pour it over carefully. Okay, you do not want to burn your cameraman aka my husband. But there it is. We're going to let this go for about 1 to 2 minutes per side. Then we'll flip it over. It needs to be nice and golden brown. Time to flip our salmon over. They are looking nice and golden brown, as y'all can see. So carefully just flip them over. 2 minutes is perfect, because one side is nice and cooked. Maybe I'll let the other side go for another, maybe 1 more minute, and we can remove, so we can set it aside to work on the sauce. Ooh, it's smelling really, really good right now. So we are on the right path. Take your time to flip them over, just like this. Time to take the salmon out, y'all. They are looking good, smelling good, and you know they're gonna taste as good as they look. So let's just take them out quickly. Oh, they look so gorgeous. Wow. Beautiful, just how we want them. How beautiful is this? Set it aside. All right, guys, it's time to make the sauce. We have about 1 tablespoon of minced garlic that's going in. Ooh. Going to fry that a little bit. And we have some sesame seed oil. Add that in. It's going to add a nice flavor. And now we're going in with the butter. I'm using about 2 tablespoons, 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. Allow your butter to melt a little bit. And then we are going in with some honey. This is about 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. Just add that in. Ooh, that garlic smells so good. I have about 1 tablespoon of soy sauce going in. Yo, this sauce is going to be amazing. This is hoisin sauce. We're going to add that in, about 2 tablespoons. Yes, ma'am. Also, we got some rice wine vinegar, or you can use apple cider. Add that in, give it a mix. Ooh, looking good. Smelling good too. Give it a mix. And now is the time to taste your sauce. Now I'm about to add in my salmon bites. Woo! Yes, ma'am. This is going to be so delicious. And all you have to do now is baste that salmon with the sauce. Y'all, my mouth is already watering because that sauce tastes so good. Tastes so good. Y'all see it. Don't play with us. You know how we do over here. Oh, yes. You can pour this over some white rice, stir-fried vegetable. I don't know. It is delicious. And there you have it. Just like that. You made yourself the perfect garlic butter salmon bite. This right here is my favorite part. I'm always looking forward to taste it. So let's give it a try. It looks good, it smells good like I was saying earlier. And let's see if it tastes as good as it looks. Cheers. We got a little crunch going on and the inside is nice and flaky, y'all. This recipe right here is another winner in my book, as always. Super quick and easy. This is the most easiest recipe you could ever done in your entire life. Takes no time, okay? And tastes absolutely delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. Please, please, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up for me. That helps me a lot. It helps YouTube knows your girl is doing her thing and more people needs to see it. So please give it a like. Subscribe if you're new to my channel for more recipes like this one. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.